Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss on HTML web page design and this is about discussion on in continuation to table design. So this is the file already designed it notepad which is representing the HTML file, that is I have already made save as 6page.html. So .htm or HTML. So it is already exists because I have saved once. So and on browsing this file, I have the page design here. This is the page. Welcome to table learning and student marks table, and this is table format. Now I will show this design of table properties, which is this is starting tag of table, and this is closing tag of table, and this is only table header is here, and this is table header closed, and this is tr closed one row. And if I want to insert table data, td will start here, and the serial number is suppose 1, td closed, this td closed, sorry, and I'm copy it, this one copy it here, and this is tr should be started here. This is tr 1 td round td plus 10 td close tr close. So I will save it and refresh it. The data is inserted here. This is 1 plus x, and this is not adjusted, so I can adjust it with this cell padding options here, and I will discuss it this later on. Now the table border is here, and thus I can show the border color is, suppose this is number of red, yes, border color ff, and border color of this table border. This is save, and I will reload, refreshing, yes. So this is border color, and next I want to give the background of this table. Suppose it will be added here, border color, next bg color is suppose yellow, save and reload. An image can be placed within this table also. Image maybe here I will give image path, then it will give also image. Okay, to insert background image of this table, I have written as background, this is equal file name, image file name pic.pmp, and I save it and happen to be reloaded, and on reload this is coming the image here. So this is the properties of table, some properties of table, and in more properties I have to show you the rule property of this. To clear this, I will clear this background property, to clarify these things, and I will change this, yes, and I will show this border. In case of border, in place of border, I will write rules is equal all. Sorry, there is a border line is required, and this is BORD border is suppose 1px. So I will save it, and it will reloaded this space. Here see, this is the simple line. It is better on the better option of the previous one. The simple line is thrown here within this table. That is called rules. So here the new definition is, new property is the rules all. That is, you may give the columns also the rows, but I will apply all to have all rows, all column border. This is here. Next thing I will discuss is table cell padding. I will show the cell padding property, and before going to this I will insert one more rows here. Copy these things, and number is changed. This is 2, this is SA, this is class 11, say, and save it. And now I will specify the cell padding. Cell padding is the distance between text and the border. This is cell padding. So I will write here cell padding in table property is equal, suppose 5 pixel, 5 pixels. Save it, and here cell padding effect is here on reloading this page. This is the equal space is given between border and the text. This is cell padding. And next thing I want to show the column span and row span. Row span is the spanning of this combining of this row, that is merging of this two cell is row span, and merging of this two column is called column span. So how it is done, I will show it. A little modification is made here in this table to show you the row span. Yes, this is row span, means combining of two rows in one column below. So this is first row has 3 values. Yes, it is okay, and but second row has also 3 value, but this row has row span is equal to, that is it should goes to second row also. So class 10 is will be goes to up to second row also. So then third row will be placed with 2 values. This is TD is real number 2, and the name is SA, and this is I think number 3, and this is Sakti, suppose. So capital sorry. So this is SA and this 2 value, but the third value will be spawned from this row. This is class 10 will be given to this SA, and that is, this is second value, and the third value is the Sakti, and his